Hi, today we are going to learn number of the terms and of degree of the polynomials. So first, number of the term means like a x plus 2y like that. Then if we have like addition or subtraction, divide by term. Now multiplication, division, and then with the parenthesis power, they very strong enough and put together. So this is like a two term because 1 and 2 because this addition subtract divide by the first one and second one. So this is two terms right there. But even though there's a several variable there, but minus to this sign in front of it, that's just sign, not plus minus. So and then all variable there combined as power and multiplication. So this is one term. Everything is one term. So one term has just one term only, so we call it monomial. Mono is one, so monomial. And then like this, there's a two term, we can call it binomial, right? Binomial, we can have two term. And one more, so after you simplify, for example, there's a 3x, then you need to combine it, so, right? This is like a 4x. But anyway, after you do that, so left over is, you cannot combine 1, 2, 3, those one, we call it trinomial. Okay, after that, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can just call polynomial. Polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, all those are polynomial. Among those, that has a special name up to 3, but after that, you can call polynomial. So all those polynomial, but 1, 2, 3, you can have it, that has a special name there. And then degree, now how many variable multiplied, that's the name of the term, right? So, and that's a degree. So this is a nothing. That means you can think of any variable and then 0. Anything 0 power is 1, right? So this is a degree is 0. Degree 0, we can call it constants. Just number only. You're gonna see just number only, so we call constants. And degree is 1. Like this, then this we call it linear because if we draw this one, that's a line, so we call it linear. And then degree 2, we call it, that's a quadratic, okay? And then degree 3, that's cubic. Degree 3, we call it cubic. And then degree 4, quartic. And then degree 5, we call it quintic. And then after that, degree 6 is 6th degree, 7th degree, and so on. So with that, you can call all polynomial has a name. You can name them. So this is let's see how many degree there. So 1, how many variable multiply? Doesn't matter what by a variable. So this x multiply 2 times, y multiply 4 times, so total 6 times, but z multiply there. So that's total 7th degree. So it's the 7th degree, and then this is what? Monomial. So 7th degree monomial is the name of that. Okay? How about this one? Just one term, right? So monomial, but degree is now degree 0, right? So name is constants monomial. You can name constants monomial right there. And then degree is 1, right? So that means linear, right? And then linear, and then just one term, monomial. You can say linear monomial. Let's practice. So let's find out first degree. What's the degree there? How many degree there? And then second, number of the terms. Let's say find the number of the term 3. Then how do we call them? Name. Okay. And then also I'm going to tell leading coefficient. Okay. So first, degree. Degree, when you say the degree of the polynomial, this is, by the way, 1, 2 terms. So which is number of the 2 term. Number of term is 2. And then, find the degree, just each term has a degree, but like you don't combine the biggest degree. Oh, this is just 1, this is 3. So the biggest degree is this, right? So we call that leading term. So degree of that is the degree of the polynomial. So in this case, cube. So because x cubed, that's degree is 3, right? 3 right there. So name is now degree 3, so we call it cubic. And two term binomial. right? Binomial. So we can call that cubic binomial there. And then leading coefficient, we call leading coefficient number in front of leading term. So this is a leading term, number in front of negative 18. Negative 18. That's very important later because that decide the shape of the polynomial. So you can save that. Let's practice this one. First, degree. Oh, there's a 3 term by the way. So 3. And then biggest degree, let's find it. That's a constant, degree 0, 2, and 4. That means degree is 4. Degree is 4. And then number, name, then so degree is 4, then what it? Quartic, and then 3 term, trinomial, right? Quartic trinomial. And then leading coefficient, yeah, that's leading term, so 7. Good? And then how about this now? Okay, leading coefficient. Okay, let's find the degree. Oh, this is 2, this is 3, this is a 0, this is 1. So degree is the biggest one is 3. That's a degree of the polynomial. And here, now what? Number of term 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 term there. So name, so cubic, because degree 3 is cubic, right? Cubic, and then just after 3, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then polynomial. So you can say polynomial there. And then leading coefficient, this is leading term, right? So that's a 5 right there. So you can figure it out for all polynomials, degree, and then number of the term, name, and leading coefficient this way.